On your computer, open your preferred browser and open Facebook. Once you successfully signed into your Facebook account, in this top menu, select Marketplace. And this is your Facebook Marketplace. Now, to sell something in Marketplace, click on Create New Listing. In here, choose listing type. You can choose item for sale, you can choose vehicle for sale, or you can choose home for sale or rent. So in my case, I'm selecting here item for sale. And now click on this add photos option and go ahead and upload your items photos, multiple photos. You can upload up to 10 photos about your product and enter here your product title, enter here your price for the product. You can choose a category for your product and you can choose a condition, and you can add here your product brand name and write here your product description and select your product availability, and you can add some tags for your product. You can add a SKU number. If you want, you can add or change your location in here. And finally click on next and click on publish. That's how you can actually list something on Facebook Marketplace to sell. Thanks for watching.